So one of the nice things about the treasurer's office is the ability to get in line with our digital line system. It's called QLess. It works for the tag office and for the treasurer's office making treasury payments. It works from a desktop computer at home. It works from your cell phone. You can also come into the office and sign in here. It's in the office. It's pretty simple. It's all touch screen. So you can put yourself in line by phone number. You can also put yourself in line by a paper ticket if you don't have a cell phone. Let's see. It's pretty simple. You can do the taxes, the tag line, etc. We're going to put ourselves in line for taxes right now. So I will show up on the screen there as being in line. I will also get a text message on my cell phone that tells me that I've been put in line. So that way when the Treasury clerks are ready, they can let us know that it's our turn to go to the window. So they called my number, told me that I needed to go to window 2. So here I am at window 2 to make my payment. We hear quite often that the system doesn't work. It is set up to only allow so many people to be in line while we're operating. So we go to lunch at noon. So for instance, right now, it says we have enough people in line to get us to noon, and it won't let anybody else sign in. But when we open back up at 1 o'clock, it will be free and clear. People will be able to sign in for the afternoon session. The thing with the QLess is definitely the earlier you get here to sign in, or the earlier you sign in from your cell phone at home, the more likely you are to be able to get into the QLess line. It works perfectly for what we need it to. It doesn't allow too many people in line throughout the day to where you end up with a 2-hour or 3-hour wait. It really eliminates those big long wait times like the old paper ticket system used to kind of give. If you go to renogov.org, under the Departments tab, if you go to Reno County Treasurer, it will say Get in Line Now. You click on it and you can put yourself in line from the desktop at home. There's also the app on the cell phone. If you download that app on your cell phone from the App Store, you can put it right on your cell phone.